Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. Here you can see that this is 24-inch Sony LED TV. This is the model number of that 24P423D. So now I am going to turn on this LED TV. Let's see what is the problem in this TV. Yeah, now I am going to connect the adapter. After connecting the adapter, here you can see that the TV is turned on, but it is in blank condition. Its backlight is okay and sound is also okay, but it is not showing any type of pictures. So it is in no display or it is in blank condition. It might be from display or it is from motherboard also. After opening TV, we can see it clearly from where the problem is occurring. So now I open the back cover. Yeah guys, here you can see this is the motherboard and this is the display scaler board. It has only single board, which is motherboard, and power supply is there in adapter itself. In first step, we have to check whether the motherboard is providing voltage, 12 voltage to the display or not. If it is providing 12 volt to the display, then we have to check display scaler board. Now I am going to test the motherboard voltage. First turn on the TV, connect the adapter. First we have to see motherboard is generating 12 volt or not. Here we are getting 19.5 voltage. It is okay. But here voltage is 0. This motherboard is not generating 12 volt. So here we got the problem. The problem is in this motherboard section only. This section only. Here one 4-leg IC is there. Here you can see this IC is not generating 12 voltage. If you replace that IC, the problem will be fixed. Guys, here you can see that this IC will convert 19.5 volt to 12 volt. But in the output section of this IC is not generating 12 volt. This is the output section. This output section is directly connected to the panel strip. Here you can see that we are getting 0. Now I am going to remove this IC. Yeah, now you can see that I removed this IC using blower. Guys, after removing this IC, we have to replace this same IC. But right now I am not having this IC. So I am doing some modifications to generate 12 volt by using this buck converter. Actually, this buck converter generates max voltage of 5 volt as output, but I did some modification by this can generate 12 volt. We have to join 3 points, that is 5 volt, 3.3 and 2.5 volt. After that you can see here I removed one resistor here, then I connected one wire to that. You can see here clearly. Then again I added one 10k resistor. Wait a minute, I'll zoom it. Here you can see that I added one 10k resistor here, 1.2 capacitor and another 0.2 resistor. Like this you have to add one resistor and remove one resistor here. That's it. Then you can generate 12 volt. Now I am going to add this buck converter to this motherboard. I will fit this buck converter here. Then I connected all the wires. Here you can see these are the two input wires. One is positive and another one is ground. We are providing 19 volt as input and another one is ground to this buck converter. Then this is the output volt generated by this buck converter is connected to the last point, and this will goes to this panel strip. This is output generated by this buck converter. This will generate around 12 voltage. This I given here. Then finally this wire is connected to this second point. To start the display we are given like that. So this is the whole process how I modified this motherboard. Guys, here you can see how I fixed this buck converter using double side gum tape. Now I am going to turn on the TV. Let's check the result, what happened. Here you can see our problem is fixed, that no display blank problem is fixed, but this display is having some other issue related to bonding. It has many vertical bars. As you can see here, our no display problem is fixed, but this vertical bar is related to bonding. We can fix that also by using bonding machine. So this is all about my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.